Welcome to Linux. How to install and manage Cockpit on Rocky Linux 8.6. Cockpit is a web-based graphical interface for servers designed for everyone, especially those who are new to Linux, including Windows admins familiar with Linux and want an easy graphical way to administer servers, except admin who mostly use other tool but want an overview of individual systems.
Now I'm going to check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I'm going to install the Apple package. Press Y and hit enter to continue. The Apple package is installed. Now I'm going to install the Cockpit package. Press Y and hit enter to continue. The Cockpit package installation has been completed. Now I'm going to enable the service of Cockpit. I'm going to start the service of Cockpit. Check the status of Cockpit. The status has been active. I am going to allow the cockpit in firewall. I am adding under the public. I am going to reload the firewall. Now go to the browser. In the new tab, search for ping here. Localhost with the colon number of. This is the warning message here. Press advance. Here accept the risk and continue. This is the console page. Here you need to provide your system credential. Login. Here you can see this is the usage of CPU usage and memory usage. How many core can I allocate for the server, then how many space I can allocate for the RAM, and how many space can be using. Then here we can see the health status. last login status, then system information, then configuration files. Then we can see here configuration, host name, system time, whatever we need, all service we can see about the server in this page. Who can newly switch to Windows to Linux? This is very easy to monitor the Linux services and Linux server. Here you can see how many account we are managing in the server. Here we can see the firewall activity and network activities. Here we can see the storage services. By this, the installation and managing Cockpit on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.